Hey YouTubers, what's up? Welcome to another episode of On the Other Side of the Road. So I'm heading up here, going north. Oh, hold on. Jesus Christ, what? Why did that minivan move over into the middle lane? Had a clear lane on the right. Wow, you just can't understand drivers sometimes. So back to what I was saying. I'm heading north here on the FDR Drive to connect to the George Washington and then the Palisades Parkway and then to the 9D. The reason I'm going up that way is because I'm going to be filming along the 9D north and hitting a couple of locations that I want to showcase in my next video. Oh, I almost forgot. I gotta move over to the right. It's really bad. They did a real nice job here. So the reason for this video is not about the road, really. I am going to talk about the current events of things that are going on right now in the States and how it's affecting most Americans, and especially myself. COVID-19, also known as the coronavirus. Let's just be clear, today is Saturday, and it's the eve of the lockdown in New York City. The mandate is going to go into effect at 8 p.m. tomorrow night. They're saying shelter in place. Also, essential businesses only are going to operate. So that just means coming Monday, I'm not even going into work. I mean, my boss is going kind of crazy and he doesn't know what to do. Ooh, that Mustang is in a hurry. So, am I keeping myself distance from everybody else? You know, that 6-foot rule. Hell yeah. I'm on my motorcycle by myself, no riding buddies. My girl is not on the back. She's in California visiting her kids, and I'm out here all by myself taking my last ride of the weekend, since I probably won't get to do it tomorrow. I got my own personal got to do laundry and stuff like that. Here's the ramp to the Palisades Parkway. We're going to connect right up ahead here and take it all the way up. From here forward, I want to say that everything I say here is my feelings and my thoughts, and I want you to weigh in as well by commenting at the bottom. Let's start from the beginning. It started in China. Apparently, whatever happened over there, how this thing got out of control over there, they, from what I understand, they tried to keep it on a down low and try to control it themselves, but it really spread too much. This thing is very infectious and contagious, and it just, the littlest contact, boom, you got it. I, for myself, I am not wearing a mask. I'm not wearing gloves. I am going out and about doing my daily things. I am keeping my distance. I watch what I am touching. I do not touch my face. I do wash my hands a lot, especially at work, because I do fabrication and my hands are dirty all the time. And while I'm doing finishes and stuff like that, so, I got to clean my hands, as I'm grabbing stuff in the shop. So then all the countries around the world started noticing the dilemma that China has with this virus and started monitoring the progress of how bad this thing was kind of going. But by then it was already a little too late. The countries were not prepared for the incoming of this virus, and it just turned out to be a little too late, and there was more infections than anybody ever thought thought was going to happen. Oh, here's a point lookout right here. I always keep forgetting to stop there. I mean, you can take some great pictures of the Hudson River from up here. But that'll probably be for some other video. Now, here's the next thing that's really pissing the shit out of me off. It's the news media. I understand that they have to do the news and they gotta keep the public informed. But Jesus effing Christ, I get up in the morning to go to work and everything on the news is 98% corona this, corona that, deaths this, deaths that. How much of this needs to be drilled in our heads? I want to hear other news other than the coronavirus. I want to see and hear other things about my local news. It's depressing the shit out of me. Cut it out already. Oh my God, what about the economy? Crashing. We're going into a freaking depression. It's not no recession. It's a freaking depression is what it is. Unemployment is in the millions now because of this whole thing. I'm a regular, hard-working person like everyone else. I'm a blue-collar worker. I live pretty much check to check, and I got bills I gotta pay. How am I gonna get money from the government if that's what they say they're gonna give us? Because everybody is already claiming, the ones that already went out. I've read a few things, I've heard a few things, I have friends that have opinions, and they're saying this could be a whole conspiracy to restart the economy back to, to the beginning and work its way up again because the inflation, or destroy our president. They want to blame him for all this. The guy had nothing to do with this. They want to destroy his legacy. People want him out. Anyway, listen, I don't want to keep rambling on here. I think you get what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna sign out. Do your thing. Please leave your comments down below. Subscribe. Support the channel. And I'll talk to you soon. And most importantly, be safe. Follow the protocols about cleaning your hands. Don't touch your face. Wear a mask if you feel safer. Good luck to us all. Peace, my brothers and sisters.